Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.9% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Gold prices climbed to a record high as the US dollar and bond yields ticked lower after the Federal Reserve maintained its projection of 3 rate cuts for this year. CoinGecko said that in 2023, tokenized treasuries went from $114 million in January to $845 million by the end of the year. This shows that blockchain-based digital tokens representing US Treasury securities gained 641% growth within a year. The dollar rose after the Swiss National Bank's surprise interest rate cut bolstered global risk sentiment and underscored the appeal of the greenback amid strong US economic growth.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.